Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin drops to 3 months low. And the second thing I would like to discuss that actually we shouldn't really, in my opinion, focus on this red candle or actually on this FUD, but we should zoom out and look at the bigger picture a little bit to be more optimistic. And the third news is all about new pump and dump, it's banana gun. And well, the team is saying that basically, there was a bug which caused the problem, but they couldn't hot fix it. However, ChatGPT could fix the bug. How interesting is that? Let's talk about that as well. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh content. I'm making short videos every single day to keep you up to date, very short news, just the most important part of it. And also between Monday and Friday on weekdays, you're getting these longer videos to get the full picture, get more into the details. So here on Blockchain Bloom, I really keep you up to date. The only thing you really have to do, subscribe the button, that's it. And then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then definitely hit the like button, highly appreciated. So let's do it. Okay, and for a start, as every time, let's have a look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 1.6% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum 1.1 up. When we're looking at the top gainers, Optimism up almost 9%, Trust Wallet token 8%, Injective about 7%, and among the losers, Flare 3% down, XDC Network 2.5%, and Clay about 2.5% down. Yes, and when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart in a second, we're going to see that the Bitcoin is down on 3 month low. So we can see again a candle here. Oh, let me share the screen. Oh, this one I'm talking about, this red candle, which was formed yesterday, and it brought us all the way down to 24,900. And the last time we've been on this level, it was actually 3 months ago. Look, back here, it was 24,750 US dollar. So almost we went under it, but no, we recovered. So basically, technically speaking, we still forming higher highs and higher lows, even if it was very, very close when we're looking at that. But we can, continue, of course, downwards anytime. And when you're looking at actually Ethereum, Ethereum went down to its, look at this, 6 month low back where it was in March yesterday here. And we do know that the whole reason for this are maybe actually two things we can mention. Let's start with this one, because this is here on the screen already. That when we zoom in a little bit more, we can see here on the daily, yesterday, actually, the dead cross was formed on the Bitcoin daily chart when the 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day moving average from above. And also the price, went down as, the bankrupt crypto exchange FTX looks to liquid its crypto holdings, and, it can dump a lot of crypto on the market. We're talking about here liquidate 3.4 billion US dollar in several crypto like Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. However, it's very important to highlight that maybe when this news came out, this was the main thing when pushed down the price. And yeah, we're going to see it on the 13th of September. So basically tomorrow, what's going to happen about this? Do they get the green light to do it and pay back the creditors with this? So basically getting fiat. Question, what the creditors will do? They get the fiat and then just put it back in crypto? Other question, of course, we don't know, will it be, OTC or actually will happen on, exchanges? Because when it's OTC, then it's obviously doesn't have an impact on the price that much. It will be probably a step-by-step kind of thing. So on a weekly basis, just a certain amount, not at once. And then another thing is, then we have a lot of Solana pretty much locked in until 2028. So yes, maybe it is not that bad what we think, but the whole news and all these things, death cross and this one, actually brought down Bitcoin price to 3 months low, and other altcoins were actually even hit harder. Some of them witnessing new lows in this bear market, and so really, it's looking that they would like to shake weak hands, but. And the second thing I would like to also mention, tomorrow we're going to have on the 13th of September, the new CPI in the USA. It's coming out. The forecast is actually 3.6. So now we're talking about a growing, inflation after we came down to 3%. Then it was 3.2. The forecast was to the last one, 3.3. But now 3.6 is the forecast. So even if it's lower, then it's higher than previously. Which is definitely, of course, not the greatest, put it this way, not the greatest. But looking at things from some positive perspective, because we should really zoom out and see the big picture rather than just focusing on some red candles and really be zoomed in. So let's talk about the wider angle point of view. Well, so we had the panic part, the FUD part. I'm not here to spread FUD. Here on this channel, it's all about facts. So this is what we can see. On the other hand, we also should see the bigger picture. Here are some examples. So when we collect some information, we can truly see that there is a high likelihood that Bitcoin spot ETF will be, approved by the SEC. Sooner or later, end of this year, beginning of next year, we're going to see it, but there is a very, very good chance. Another one is halving is just 218, 17 days away. We will see how it will go. But bottom line is that theoretically speaking, after halving, we always have an increase in Bitcoin price and the whole crypto market goes up. When we're looking at just this picture, then we can see here that, we had the halving here. This is the green line. And after that, price went up. And then we had the top here. Then we had the halving. The price went up. We had the top there. Then we had the halving. This is the 3 weeks chart. And here we go again. And now we had here the bottoms, kind of always before the halving. And, this is more likely this one. This was here the pandemic one. So this supposed to be bottom, which is in line with this one. So we have plenty of time, maybe going sideways here, something like this, staying in these lines, and then simply just having the halving and then maybe going to a new top again. So when we're looking at the big picture, this is also very important. Okay, let's go back to here. Money printing is coming because definitely if they're going to, stop to raise the interest rate, and actually then Fed will pivot and then actually going down with it, money printing will be in the game again, even heavier. Then we have Bitcoin hash rate, all-time highs. It's also very important. Then we have fair value accounting coming in the United States. It's a game changer for companies because now they can actually put their Bitcoin holdings on the present price when they're making the report. So on its fair value. And when we're looking at Bitcoin supply on exchanges, it's continuously declining. So these are just a couple of things. I can go on and on with other things as well. And these coming pretty soon, probably in the next half a year, next year or so. So in 2024 could be a game changer in this trend. So even now we're going down, even now we're forming, side wave moves. This is, in my personal opinion, just matter of time that we change this. But of course, panic after a long bear market, it doesn't help, and it's shaking out people even further more. But the big guys, it looks like the big guys, they still accumulating. But what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and then looking at the third topic today, and it's all about that even, the team could fix the bug problem with ChatGPT and maybe avoid this kind of rug pull thing what we see here. Is it now a rug pull? Is it not a rug pull? We're going to see in the future, but the team is saying not. This is all about the recent pump and dump banana gun. So, for a quick summary, let's watch this very short video.
So the market cap is $2.168 trillion. And now the market, it went to zero.
Just to get a feeling how a pump and dump really works. Here you can see more here zoomed in. So, this is banana gun. And, the new banana token surged as high as $8.70 before crashing to literally 2 cents in 3 hours time. So that's a pretty quick pump and dump. However, we have the team behind the project, and they saying we have a bug in our contract we cannot hot fix. And they actually had 2 audits. Despite the 2 audits, they have this. And now it's the twist in the story is that Coder claimed that to use OpenAI's ChatGPT to discover the contract flow. So Banana claimed they had 2 audits. So I asked for the 3rd one on one of my favorite auditors, ChatGPT, and it found the bug. So basically, ChatGPT did the job, found the bug, and to fix this issue, you should modify and it goes on even with a solution. So, funny enough, if that's the truth, that it's not the it's not the rug pull and the pump and dump in the same time, and it was really just a bug, would it be that easy to fix it? And they didn't even think about it. Now, when AI is that big, that's very interesting. But anyway, now we are in this kind of bearish period again, and you guys should be very, very careful with all these kind of little projects. They are hyped, but many cases, and this will happen in the bull market as well. Be prepared. It's going to be a lot of rug pulls, especially we are really in an unregulated field right now when it comes to crypto. Maybe it's going to change in years when the regulation coming out, and maybe it's going to be a different field. But right now, it's hot, it's dangerous, and this can easily happen. So even if you join these kind of projects, it's totally up to you. But be wise and just use a very small part of your portfolio. Just be clever, okay? You don't want to lose your money before the bull market here comes, and then you can actually make with less risk much better gains with very great strategy. Okay, so I just wanted to point out, just as an example that these things going to happen in the future as well. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting fresh content from me, a couple of short videos every day, and then you have this longer video as well when I get into the details. So if you do not want to miss a single thing, then simply subscribe to Blockchain Bloom. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then simply just hit the like button. Highly appreciate it. It helps the channel, it helps the video, and it's a great feedback for me. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.